Introducing the AWS-50100 Intellect Torque Tester, an advanced and versatile solution for your torque testing needs. Designed by Advanced Witness Series, this torque tester combines precision, reliability, and user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. With a bidirectional accuracy of 0.25% of the indicated reading, the AWS-50100 ensures highly accurate and consistent torque measurements, covering a torque range of 100-1000 lb. This torque tester accommodates various applications, from light-duty to medium-duty fastening tasks. The AWS-50100 offers 8 engineering units of measurement, providing versatility for different industries and preferences. Choose from 3 operation modes: track, peak, and first peak, to suit your specific testing requirements. The auto recognition feature allows seamless connection of up to 7 transducers, simplifying the testing process and saving valuable time. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AWS-50100 Intellect Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, wide measurement range, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for calibration, assembly, and tool room personnel. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precision and reliability like never before.